The numbers in Japanese. We're going to start by learning the numbers 1 to 10. In fact, once you've learnt the numbers 1 to 10 in Japanese, you'll be able to count to 99, just by putting them in the correct order. Ichi. Ichi. The reason why we may scratch. It's just an easy way to remember it. Ichi, number 1. If you do karate, you may have heard them say ich. It's actually ichi, formally. Ni, number 2. If you put 1 and 2 together, it's easy to remember by saying ichi ni. Ichi ni. Sun, number 3, just sounds like sun. Ichi ni sun. 1, 2, 3. Yon. Number 4 is quite a complicated number because they also use shi if they're talking about dates or time, but that means death. So number 4 is considered to be an unlucky number. Go. Traditionally we worked from 9 to 5, so 5 was time to go home. Number 5, go. Roku. At rock and roll at 6 o'clock. Roku. Roku for number 6. Nana. Just imagine remembering 7 bananas, and you'll know that it's nana for 7. Shichi is another way of saying 7, particularly if we're talking about time and dates again. Nana. Hachi is the number 8. Think about 8 rabbits in the hutch. Hutch being a rabbit's house. Hachi. 8. Hachi. Number 9 is quite complicated. It's ki with the little u, queue. And it's just like remembering 9 people in the queue. Queue for number 9. Queue. And number 10 is due. And let's just remember that the train is due at 10 o'clock. Due. And these little mnemonics will help you remember the words as we count from 1 to 10. Let's try that again. Ichi. Ni. Sun. Yon. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Q. Ju. Now that takes us to 10. The numbers of 11 up to 19 in English are simply 10 and then the smaller number added to it in Japanese. So we take ju, meaning 10, and we add ichi to make 11. Ju, ichi. Ju, ichi, number 11. If we want to say 12, we just take ni as the number for 2 and say ju, ni. 10 plus 2. Ju, ni. For number 13, we would take ju, meaning 10, and add sun, number 3, for ju, sun. Simple pattern, just have 10 in front of the smaller number. Let's have a look at those numbers in their own list, from 11 to 19. Ju, ichi, meaning 11. Ju, ni, meaning 12. Ju, san, 13. Ju, yon, 14. Ju, go, 15. Ju, roku, meaning 16. Ju, nana, 17. Ju, hachi, 18. Ju, kyu, meaning 19. And then you're going to want to know what to do for 20. Well, for 20, we just need to take the ni for 2 and actually put it in front of 10. To make niju, it becomes 20. And then, of course, if we take san, meaning 3, and put that in front of ju, sanju would be 30. Yonju, 40. Goju, 50. Rokuju, 60. Nanaju, 70. Hachiju, 80. Kyuju, 90. So by simply swapping the smaller letter and number 10, we can go all the way up to 99. The next screen shows you the characters that are written for each of these numbers. I don't expect you to learn that at this stage of the game, but try saying the names of the numbers as you watch them on the screen. Remember, you just need to replay the video to get any answers to questions or to practice just saying the numbers from 1 to 10.